So let's take a look at how to create this animation. We need a few elements to create this. As you can see, on the left side we have a circle and rectangle. When you click the layer on the timeline, you can go ahead and open the group right here or right here. So starting from the last layer, we have this particular rectangle being rotated with a different color. You can change the color right here. And the next layer is rectangle. To get another rectangle, you can basically head over to the second icon, studio, shapes, and you can choose a shape of your choice. In this case, it's a square, which is being changed into a rectangle. And you can change the properties of the rectangle, color, border, width, and other properties that are right here. And similarly, we have another rectangle of the same blue shade, and same for the white, where the color is changed, and one title as well. And for the title, you can go ahead and click on studio, drag and drop this text element onto the canvas, and you can simply change the title and change the other properties that are present right here. So the next shape is a circle, and you can make it bigger or smaller. You can change its color again, and all of the other properties for all the other shapes that you can change for the circle as well. At the next layer we have is an image. You can use any image of your choice from your local computer, or if you want something from Create Studio, you can head over to Studio, make a search for the element, and I've chosen this one. As you can see, download it and drag and drop it onto the screen, and that's pretty much it for the layers. And the last one we have is another text title, and to create this you can head over to Studio, you can drag and drop the text in a box so that you can get the background as well, where you can change the background color, text color as well. So now let's take a look at all the animations that's been added to this. So as you can see, I have no animations added to uh, the layers, these particular layers, except for this title animation that I've added in the right animation. As you can see right here, it basically comes from the left to the right, and that's a simple animation that I added in here, and it comes in after a second. So I basically grouped all of these elements into one group. So now let's take a look at the animation again. So it basically comes from top to the bottom with a little bit of bounce. So that's what this animation does. And when you've added the animation, you can simply click on it and scroll down to where it is. And here you have the preview, and this is exactly what it does. So so it comes from top to the bottom with a little bounce, and then midway the title comes in. So that's how you can create this animation.